Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2007 Chevy Impala and I will show you how to reset the TPMS light. So this is the yellow light blinking on the left side and you will probably get the message service tire monitor system. This video applies to Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. To start, first you will need to access the tire learn mode. Now this can be done in two different ways. It can be done through this menu here, but if your Impala doesn't have this menu, then it can be done through the keyless entry fob. So I will now show you the both ways. So to access the tire learn mode through this DIC menu, keep pressing the car button until you reach press check mark to relearn tire positions. Now press this check mark button and tire learning is active and you'll hear a horn beep twice. If your Impala doesn't have this DIC menu, you will have to use the keyless entry fob. So what you have to do when the vehicle is running, just push both of the lock and unlock buttons at the same time and keep holding it, maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, you will see the same message and the tire learning mode will be active. Now to proceed, you will need the TPMS diagnostic tool, unfortunately. If you don't have one, you can buy a cheaper version online at Amazon for like 50 bucks. I have the one from Napa. Other option is, I know like here in Canada, most of the mechanical shops rent them out for $20–25. So that's your other option. Unfortunately, if you don't have this TPMS tool, you won't be able to reset it. It could be worth buying it because if you take your car to a mechanical shop, to a tire shop, they usually like to charge up to $100 to do this simple procedure. So yeah. Some guys are claiming you can relearn each tire sensor just by releasing the air from each tire, but I was never able to do that. So that's the option you can try as well, but it's a long shot. Okay, so I will show you now how this works. Okay, this is the main menu. I have to go under service TPMS, then select Chevy Impala, then select your year. Mine is 2007 with snap-in TPMS sensor. And now I have to press manual. Now there is the option which I mentioned. There is with keyless entry, there is with DIC button, and with the odometer reset. I've never tried that one, but if you have if you have a keyless entry fob, that will always work for you. So okay, let's select with keyless entry, and now it's gonna give you same instructions which I showed you. And then you can proceed outside and you have to manually relearn each sensor, starting from the front left and the front right, the rear right and the rear left. And once you're done with the last sensor, the car will beep twice and the TPMS light should be off. So I'm outside now at the front left tire, so I will scan for the sensor. This might take up to 10–15 seconds. Okay, it found it. Now the car will beep. That means this TPMS sensor is programmed and I can proceed to the front right tire. Now I am at the front right tire, so also scan. Okay, this one is good as well. So here it shows the battery status, the PSI in tire and things like that, so I can proceed to the rear right. Okay, this one is good. And the last one. Okay, and this is pretty much it. Once all the 4 tires are done, the car will beep and the relearn is over. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.